Pretty deep. Just got home from work. Yeah, I was revving my engine to get my belt to dry out. I took off this morning and I had to drive through shit. I was pushing a fucking tidal wave with the front end of my truck. But I was making sure my belt was dry. Said I was making sure my belt was dry. God damn, my fucking back. Man, people are letting their fucking kids play in this shit.
Oh, I know, dude. Once they can walk through it, they're going completely under, getting in their mouth and spitting it back out.
Yeah.
Like a fountain.
That's fucking disgusting. They know. Do they have any?
Right there in the road. all fucking exposed and everything. All the stuff and got like while the coke in the wagon.
Yeah, some guy fucking yelled at me from that first trailer right outside the fence. I didn't bother listening to him. I just kept on fucking going.
Yeah. That's why we still have one for a floor job. So I'm fucking worried about it. I'm gonna go through it.
I'll probably get in trouble for driving through it, but fuck it. I ain't walking through that crap. Fuck that.
Well, I said something to her about the way she got it down. It's always good. Get it slow and don't make fucking time. I don't care.
Yeah, I had my truck in low. That way I keep my RPMs up because I could hear my exhaust fucking getting submerged a little bit here and there. But the problem is my exhaust. I don't know if you've seen it, but